All right, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the AI agent application that I created for CS 1100. So how this application works is you input a headline or something from the news related to a stock or the overall stock market. And based on that, this gets passed on to a live agent pipeline, and there's over 8 AI agents. And these AI agents pass information to each other and work together to do an overall deep analysis on the overall stock or whatever you specified in the input. And based on that, you get a deep analysis. And with that analysis, you can do whatever you want related to stocks or trading. So let me just show a use case of this. So we can take this right here, this headline I got from Yahoo Finance. This is quite relevant to the stuff happening today. So we can run the workflow. This is the input feed. Yeah, so you can see all the AI agents they're working, and there's over 8. So you can see them working real time and what they're doing. I can go into this later, and this usually takes a while to load. So after it's done loading, I'll do a deep analysis on what is being said. All right, so the AI agent workflow is finally complete. So there's a full analysis here. I want to go into it. So first is the planner agent. What the planner agent does is it just does an overall plan for the other AI agents. It doesn't have that much of a crazy use case, but it just provides information. This is handed over to the next AI agent in structured JSON. So this is the news and fundamentals AI agent. And what this does is based on the headline summary, it finds the sentiment based on other news in the internet and looks at other takes. And you can see the sources that it utilizes and more information. So even this gets passed on to the next AI agent. This is the context agent. So the context agent, it does the technical analysis itself. So in terms of stocks, there's technical analysis you can do, such as the SMA, SMA 50, RSI, and there's MACD, and you can do a lot of things, and the volume, stuff like that. So based on all that technical analysis, the AI actually analyzes it. It shows you in a visual format. You can see all the charts, all the SMA lines and stuff like that, candlesticks, the RSI volume. And based on that information, it provides an overall technical summary, bullish scenario, bearish scenario, the support levels, resistance levels, key drivers, information like that. This is useful if you're trying to analyze in a more efficient manner. And then strategy drafting. So what this does, it creates an overall strategy based on the entry, how you should exit, how you should manage risk, size your position, and other notes as well. Risk agent, based on all the information so far, it talks about risks and the overall mitigations you can do. And critic agent, what it does is, based on all the information we've got so far, it critiques it and it gives overall revision instruction and how you can improve it. And then strategy final, it does an overall final strategy, kind of like a summarization. And then there's another AI agent that does a quick summary of everything. So that's pretty much it. For this application, I use React mainly. And yeah. All right. Thank you.